G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. And today this is a quick video on the best case for the Mavic Mini. So without further ado, hit that like button and the subscribe button, share this video with everyone, and let's get stuck into the content. Let's go. So the PGYTECH case comes for the Mavic Mini, and it is a cheap case. Yes, I buy cheap cases. I cannot help myself. If it's cheap, it's a bargain. I'm probably going to pick it up. And although it's probably been reviewed a few times already, this is my take on the case for the Mavic Mini PGYTECH. It's even almost recommended by DJI. Not a bad case at all. And definitely if you didn't get the Mavic Mini bundle, the combo kit, then you're going to need a case. Now I was carrying my camera bag around with my lenses in it, and I took out 2 lenses so I could fit in the Mavic Mini and the controller. So that was taking away from my sort of day travel kit. So I had to get the Mavic Mini case, which adds another bag to carry, but at least I can fit all my lenses in my proper camera bag. But anyway, the first thing we want to look at is the build quality of it and what is it actually made of. And good news for you all, it's made of plastic, 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 and a little bit more plastic. That's right, it's pretty much all plastic on this thing, but it still doesn't look too bad and it doesn't feel too bad. You can see here with this one that I did pick up, it's got a little bit of shape distortion to it from the way it's been sitting and the products that are inside of it. Now that I did mention that it is made of plastic, and the 2 types of plastic are, one, it's nylon, and the other one is EVA, which is just another form of cheap plastic. They've got all these fancy names for all these different types of plastic, but at the end of the day, they're still just plastic. Now you can fit the drone in and the controller. There's a bit of room there for a couple of batteries, some cables, some connections, probably some memory cards as well, which is all good and well, like I said, if you didn't get the mini combo kit. The outside is quite sturdy, and I think it would resist some heavy knocks. It's that hard sort of nylon feel to it, and I think it would, protect from a bit of damage. But the downside to that is on the inside, although not as hard as the outside, doesn't have much cushioning. So I think that's one area where I'd like to see it improved, to just add a little bit more cushioning to the inside. Given this, I'm still going to be pretty careful with the case if I'm transporting it and moving it around. You don't want to be throwing it around with your drone in it, especially with a delicate gimbal and propellers and whatnot. So you do want to be careful. There was a lot more protection for me when I had it in my camera bag. So it does come in at around 245mm wide, 175mm across, and 75mm thick. And unless you've got the camera bag of all mother of camera bags, then this is probably going to be your alternative. Again, I have to choose. Do I want to take 2 less lenses and put this in my camera bag? Or do I want to take this case and carry it as a separate bag? Most of the time I'm going to carry it as a separate bag, but if I'm trying to travel light and still get the job done, I'm probably going to take it out of this and put everything in here into my camera bag and choose the 2 lenses that I'm least likely to use. And that all depends on my day, where I'm going, what am I shooting, what lenses do I need, how much gear do I need to take, because quite often too much gear can definitely get in the way. There is also a lot of other PGYTECH accessories sold on the DJI website, so they must be partnered there, or at least maybe even owned by DJI. They're a good product from what I can see so far. I will be probably buying more. I want to maybe pick up the landing pad for the sake of it, but definitely I needed this carry case because the Mavic Mini, if you've seen my videos on the top 5 mistakes to avoid while using the Mavic Mini, you'll know that I ran into some issues because of my lack of knowledge. Getting this case solves one of those and helps protect it a little bit more, and I think you'll be impressed with it when you do get it. Except for that padding on the inside, it's not real padded. It's just going to stop something from squashing it maybe, but it doesn't offer a lot of cushioning. Even these protectors or dividers within inside the case are a little bit heavy, a little bit hard as well. I've taken it on a lot of road trips recently, got a lot of footage with the drone because it's a new toy and I'm obsessing with it and I'm trying to get better at flying and filming and all that sort of stuff. A couple of videos linked down below for the Mavic Mini if you do want to follow up on those. Let me know if you want to see any other accessories covered on the DJI Mavic Mini. I'll be happy to pick up more accessories if they're going to serve a purpose to me, and if I can also help you out by reviewing them as well. That's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that shit, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.